You don't need to do too much if YouTube is not recommending your videos. All you need to do is doing these 5 things. And I put out a video yesterday asking you guys if you want me to do a tutorial on how you can put these 5 things for the YouTube to start recommending your videos. And a whole lot of you came out with yes, 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 yes. If you have been struggling for YouTube to recommend your videos, you can actually check this video here. I did a detailed analysis on how you can actually be able to achieve all of that. I always say that on this YouTube street is not getting to post videos, but also getting to have your videos be recommended, so that at the end of the day you're going to be making more revenue, you're going to be making more subscribers, and then if you are looking for watch hour to get monetized, you are also going to be meeting up with that as well. Today's video I am going to be doing detailed tutorial how to put your end screen, your card, and how to also do put your links under your short videos, how to arrange your playlist so that once someone gets to watch video from your playlist directly, it will keep recommending, and 5, how you can actually arrange your description. No matter the kind of content you're putting out on YouTube, no matter your kind of what they call it, your niche, it doesn't really matter. These are the 5 things that has really helped a lot of YouTubers, big YouTubers that you already know on this street, and definitely this can help you.
It's by Sonia.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe with Sonia, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys are doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share. This tutorial, I'll be doing it with my system. Yes, but if you don't have a system, please don't be scared, okay? I'm going to be putting or writing it in the description or putting it on the screen what you are going to actually click for you to be able to do it from your Google browser, so that you can get your desktop YouTube studio on your normal Android phone or on your iPhone, okay? So this is not this should not be what you will be scared about. So yes, with all of that being said, let's just dive right into my system. Let me show you guys everything you guys need to know about these 5 beautiful features of YouTube. So for those of you that don't have laptop, all you need to do is to go to your Chrome, and once you go to your Chrome, you're just going to go ahead to click studio.youtube.com. You're just going to type it on your search bar, and then it's going to come out like this, where you're going to be clicking continue to studio to do all of these things that I am going to be telling you in this video. I hope this is helpful, so let's dive right into the tutorial. So guys, right now I'm on my YouTube studio, and I'm going to be using this video, okay? I'm using my second channel, Sonia Onoja, because all of this channel, I need to work on them one after the other, and I left it for the purpose of this tutorial before I will continue working on them tonight. So if you go to your YouTube studio, you are going to click on content, okay? And note that the only YouTube studio you can use to do this thing is YouTube studio that you're getting from your laptop, your desktop version, okay? So if you don't know how to if you don't have a laptop, you can just go to your Chrome here on your phone and type on studio.youtube.com, okay? And yeah, so if you get to this your content, I'll click on this content because I've not published this content, okay? I just unlist my content, okay? So the next thing I'm going to do, on this other hand, you're going to be seeing all this editing, blah blah blah, settings and the rest of that. And then when you go to this other side, if you click, you're going to be seeing subtitle, end screen, cards, okay? So for your end screen, you have to click on this pencil, or you just click on it like this. And once you click, it's going to load like this. So once it loads, you see that the arrow is already pointing, telling you that, oh, you can start from here, but you can actually start from anywhere you feel like starting from, if you feel like starting from the beginning and the rest of that. So I can decide to start from the beginning, and then I go here. What I do is I click on videos directly. Once I click on video, it will automatically give you most recent videos, okay? So then I click on the other side. You can click anywhere you want to click, and then you go to elements again, and then I go back again and click on videos. This is exactly how I do it. It will now give you best for viewers, okay? One thing I love about this one is it generates for you automatically. Then you go back again and click this side. You can put 4 elements, okay? If your video is 8 minutes longer, you click on elements again. Then I'm going to be choosing my subscribe button because I want people to see my subscribe button at the end of my end screen. And you're seeing all of this in showing and then I'm going to be clicking here, which is the last one. Then I'm going to choose any playlist that I want to put. That's what I do literally on my own. So let's me put videos for my vlog, because this video is actually vlog video. So you can choose the one you are going to put. You can see that automatically this place is showing you that this video can only contain up to 4 end screen. Okay, so after that, you're going to scroll, you're going to be seeing all of the end screen here, and then the next thing is for you to click save, and then you're going to save this. Okay, so once you are done saving it, this one is done, and the next thing for you to do is to go to your carts. You click on carts. Once you click on carts, you see that carts arrow shows immediately, and then I'm going to pick any video that I know that is related to this. So this one, you obviously pick any video that you want your viewers to see. So I'll pick this first video, and then I go again and I click on carts again. And then I can decide to click on playlist. So any playlist you feel you want to attach to it. And then I go again, and then I click on carts again. If you decide to link up a channel, if you click on channel, it is going to show you that you should type the name of the channel. So take, for example, the name of the channel I want to type is Vibe with Sonia. So let me put Vibe with Sonia. You can see that it's popping up channel for you. Okay, Vibe with Sonia. So you can see that it's popping up channel for you, and you can see that my channel appeared here. So I can just click on it, and then did you see what he wrote? He said I should put a custom message and then a teaser text, and that's why I usually don't use this one, because I don't want any stress. Okay, so you can just still delete it as well, but I just showed you so that you know what you are going to do anytime. So you can click on any, you can put any link you also want to put, but I always work with video and playlist. So I go back again to my videos, I choose the one that I want them to also see, and then I go back again, and then I click on carts again. This can actually give you like 5 different ones that you want to actually put. So you don't need to link one particular playlist. Even if you want to be putting all of your playlists so that people can actually be watching your playlist and every other stuff, you can just go ahead and do that. Okay, depending on the one you want to put. You can see that it has shown you that there is no other option for you again. Then you go ahead and click on save. Once you click on save, this one is done. This is how you can put your cards, and this is how you can put your end screen. Okay, so now you can see that automatically my playlist is uploaded here. So once I upload this video, all of these playlists I've been able to add for my cards, you're going to see them at the downside of my description. Okay, then you can see the description here, which is the one I said in this video I shared what. You can go ahead and put in your description. Then for you to copy a playlist and like put in this description, all you need to do is to go back like this. Okay, so once you go back like this, you're going to click on playlist. If you click on playlist, which of the playlists do you want to copy link? So let me say I want to copy link of this particular playlist. You click on this 3 icon, get shareable link. You can see it here, get shareable link. So you can see link copied to clipboard. Then I go back to my videos. Okay, if I go back to my videos, then I click again. Once I click, I go here. Sorry, then I can just go down. Sorry guys, I can just click on enter like this so that I can be able to like paste my link. So you can paste your link. Okay, so I can just go ahead and paste my link. Okay, you can see my link is already there. Okay, and then the next thing I'm going to do is I can just type here again and click on enter, and then I'm going to title this playlist now as vlogs from this channel. Okay, let me just put vlogs for the purpose of this video. Let me just put vlog, and then you can copy as many links as you want. So that is for the description. You can copy as many links as you want, I'm going to do a separate video on how you can generate description automatically, that you don't need to be typing them over and over again, okay? And that is why I actually left this channel like this. So if I'm doing that, you're also going to see that video, how you can generate. So you can copy as many links as you want and place in between this video, okay? And then you are going to go ahead and save. So if you're using your phone and you cannot go from one tab to another, you can just save this like this. And then once you save it here, and then you can still go back again, copy any link of any playlist or any video, and then put it, okay? Then once you come to once you are done with this, you are going to go ahead and save it. The next thing that you are going to do is to go back. So for your playlist, for your YouTube shorts, for you to be able to link your video links there, take for example the short I put is relating to this video. I'll just go ahead and click these 3 dots, and then I'm going to get a shareable link or copy link, anyone that is appearing before you, and then I'll go to my shorts. And once I go to my short, I'm going to click on this description here, and I'm going to just enter the details of this video. So take for example, I type anything I want to type here, you understand? Then I said this is the follow to watch this full video, for example, and then I go ahead and then I'm going to paste this. So once I paste it, if you watch this short automatically and I refer you to go and watch this video, you are definitely going to be seeing all of this here, okay? So it is not difficult at all. These are some of the things I want to discard this because I want to do a proper editing before I'll be able to like show you guys. Okay guys, so for your playlist, you are to arrange any content that you want to arrange here. So take for example, you are on your YouTube studio, and then these are your videos, and then you want to put this particular video in a playlist, for example, so that people can actually go and start watching. What you need to do is to scroll down. You can see that this one is already on a playlist, so but you can decide to create a new playlist. And please, it is very, very good for you to arrange your playlist according to what you are uploading. That's why if you go to my channel, you are going to be seeing my YouTube tutorial playlist, how much YouTube pay me series or playlist, and the rest of that. So you can see how I was also able to generate all of these playlists. So, and the good part is that you can create as many playlists as you can. I did a detailed tutorial on how you can create all of these playlists. So once you are done, anyone you want to pick your videos and put, even if you want to put them into all of these playlists, it will definitely allow you to do that, okay? So, but you are going to link your video according to the playlist that you've mentioned, so that at the end of the day, if they find this video under any of these cards, they are definitely going to watch more videos coming from you. Yes, so that is it. Anyways, so I hope this video is able to help anyone out there. Let's just get right back into this video. Thank you so much for staying stick and hook with me to the end of this video. And yeah, if this video has really helped you a lot, let me know in the comment section. If you have been doing all of these 5 things, if you are already aware of all of these 5 things, let me know in the comment section. And if this is your first time and this video is actually helping you do all of that, also let me know in the comment section. I really love to get feedbacks from you, and let me know the kind of videos that you actually want me to be doing for you. You guys know that my job on this street is when you request, I actually come to deliver. So yes, with no further ado, if you've not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I'll be saying bye. I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys, I love you. Mwah.